Today we're gonna be making some brownies. Seriously, just gonna have to measure it out in tablespoons. 1. Six. That was not correct.
I'm not.
Well,
I am. Which I was. No way. Okay. Wait, come on. Okay, so I'm just mix this up. Read it. Like the baking powder. You like this now.
It's like breaking the fourth wall. It's like what? What's the movie called?
That's one more room.
It's where the girl keeps
Pour the
on.
whole thing in.
We'll slowly do it and then like mix it. So you can mix it and then I'll pour. It's got a woman and she just keeps on breaking the fourth wall. I'm not sure what it's called.
Oops, so daisy.
Right.
My fault.
Because of that. It's becoming together nicely. Ooh. Okay.
I seemed a bit annoyed there. I wasn't, trust me.
Do you know what I got something in my head? It's like I'll take my basic one. I'll put it I want to wrap both shoulders and shake, maybe snap back.
I don't like Arctic Monkeys. I can't do.
I'm not their biggest fan, but some of the songs are okay. Can we use this now?
We both get salmon if we like.
No, we won't. No, I did it before.
Try it. No, not a lot though. Just in case, because they give the chickens salmonella shots now, so you won't get it. But just be careful, because sometimes there can be rare occasions where they do not.
This channel is Iris's cooking.
So it's basically like Candy's cooking,
But with Iris.
but with me. Okay.
How many sugars do you have in your Pepsi Max?
I have 500. You ready?
Yes.
Do
Do you think it's easier to use a spoon?
Yes. So tempted to just eat it.
We'll clean that up.
You can eat it. Okay. One dollop. Wow.
Beautiful.
Second dollop.
I think that one's going to need a little bit more. Beautiful.
Shall I give this one some more love?
Yeah.
What are you gonna do with
With what?
this video?
Probably edit it and make it funny.
Yay. You must send.
I will.
I think it's fine though if they do.
I am a surgeon.
A surgeon! I am a surgeon!
I am a surgeon.
It's alright.
I am a surgeon!
Chop them up because you're meant to cut them, don't you?
I like the crunchy sounds.
Does it make you hungry?
No.
Makes me bloodthirsty.
That's not a good thing.
I'm gonna connect
Imagine
it.
if we made one into like a muffin.
Yeah. I connected this, right? Because you just basically cut them, don't you? So, there you go. Let's make a muffin.
Chocolate muffin.
Chocolate.
I look like, you know those anime people and they've got like the hairstyles? They're like,
Up and everywhere.
man,
Looking for gold.
everywhere. Huh.
Arigatos.
That's how I feel.
Kohan to mizu kudasai.
Sorry, in my mind I know how I'm gonna edit this. I'm gonna put some sakura flowers going down and it's gonna like...
Dongo to fiesta. I still remember some Japanese when I was learning. Dongo to fiesta kudasai. Mizu to rice. No, Gohan. Kudasai. 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 And they're on the say that's Korean.
It is. You're, gozaimasen.
Arigato. Hesh.
Headshot. 2, 2, 3.
Ain't no stopping
That's what it sounded like. Sorry. Hedge!
Min man Arsenal.
The football team.
What's your favourite football shirt in the Premier League this season?
It's Arsenal's home kit. It's a gorgeous kit. It's worn very well. And the players wearing it are just bashing it out of the park. So come on, Arsenal.
No, my husband is nice.
Oh. I love how the sink made a dollop sound for that as well.
Oh no, it's all over my hands. Okay, I can't
Do
swipe.
you wanna...
Maybe? Beautiful.
Right. Now, did we even preheat the oven? We did not. What did Mum do? Did she?
I can't
The oven is hot.
Do 180.
Okay. So we've done that, and we forgot that we didn't preheat the oven. At least we turned it on, didn't it? Oh. Hey!
No! I keep doing that. It's like a
What did you think you said?
I was about to say should we do the washing up?
We shall.
But sometimes I don't know why, but I try to speak but nothing comes out.
Should we go with the bottom?
I get gibberish.
Like a sin. In the Sims.
Sugar honey.
Right. Now we're gonna be like,
I'm really good at the washing.
okay.
If you want to do the drying. This
We'll
is
be like
food
a single mom who works 2 jobs and loves her kids and never
You should put
stops.
this over that.
Yes. A gentle hand and a heart of a fighter. I'm a survivor.
I might just wash my hands because my... Do you have a tea towel?
I do.
What? Why are you so excited that you do?
Because I had it on my hands. You've got more on the t-shirt.
Okay, you ready? Oh my
Aye,
god. Why is that so bruised?
What happened?
It's because my bracelet was pushing on it. It's a nice bracelet.
It is. It's a rubber bracelet though.
Yeah, it's fine.
I got this. Wow! I got this.
Why don't you have a dishwasher? I have a dishwasher.
We used to have one in our old house, but now the dishwasher is my mum.
Let's put you down, sweetie, because
because she doesn't let us do the dishes. She doesn't like it.
What?
She has her own way of doing stuff, and she doesn't like it when other people do it. You know?
Your mum?
Yes.
The best way to get this off is to whisk it.
So true. Oh my god, it is.
My dad taught me that life hack when I was staying in Dunster because there was no washing machine, and then they pressured me to
Wash the dishes.
wash the dishes, and I was like, no, just use the dishwasher. And they was like, there's no dishwasher here, it's your turn. If you don't do it, then you're not having your phone. I was like, I was being peer pressured. I tried to tell them that. I was like, I don't care if you take my phone, I'm not doing it. And then I kind of like, it was this whole thing about me not doing the dishes.
The only time I do the dishes is at my dad's house. Because he doesn't do it when we're there.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
It's turned into chocolate milk.
No, do you know what it looks like? You know the water in like the Amazon River?
You mean the UKC?
There. Spread it on me. It looks like tea. I need to clean the table.
Go clean the table, you woman.
It's okay. We can both be women.
Women and proud.
I think it's
We are independent. Abortion is not murder. I love how men only say that abortion is murder, but they don't actually know what it's like.
No. That goes on top of Teddy's food to preserve it. Yes. I need to put this in the bin. I need to get this spray stuff. Woo! That was beautiful. Was that Teddy? I think so.
It's quite unusual. I love how I'm just drawing that.
Right. Should we get clean? Is it plenty to have, I believe? Is it hot?
Right, let's taste.
So baby, it's so.
Is that even hot? Like, it's like, unless you have a different oven. Okay, let that like,
I think I had it on the wrong way.
let that sink in.
This video is basically just us being stupid for half an hour. What was that? The sound. Oh, the skid.
You ready to put them in?
I believe. Ooh. Do you want, is it hot?
Yeah.
Oven mitts.
I'll take the oven mitts.
Stand back! That's what Miss Martha said.
Open power. In full. Can you put the time? 20 minutes. It's not 20 seconds.
Sorry guys.
Such a quick
I feel like it's doing it. Okay. And it should be counting down.
I'm not a Christian, guys.
Would you like a digestive?
I would not.
Are you ready for the most beautiful thing you've ever seen? Pulled out my hair.
Is it on 20 minutes?
Hmm?
Oh, okay, good.
Yeah, it's counting now.
This is like happy physique.
There's a gap. It's okay, we just pretend that there's not a gap because I don't have my comb. Wow. Look at my hair. I love it. Let me try. Wait.
Look at that.
It's more like a rectangle though, isn't it? Yeah.
Can you please go get my phone from upstairs?
Sure. It's plugged in. The floor. Oh, hello.
Oh, so harsh.
Very nice.
The time, oh, that's my phone notification. The time is 7:38.
17:38. Hey, I'm like, hey, what's up? Hello.
I'll hear it until days.
Oh my god, my one just ended. Hey! Hashtag not getting pregnant.
Bloating. Crying. What does frisky mean?
Makes you feel a little freaky.
Man, do you guys want to see?
It says there's going to be kids at the party. Theo.
Yeah, that's it. Semua ala parisi, yang nama kali semua lari ona day. Oh, kita bersama lal kandama.
What song is that?
It's not. Why are you singing
You made up
Arabic
your own
words?
K-pop song.
I'm singing Arabic words.
That's
Tunggu
beautiful.
toko deh, mommy.
A-pop.
I was gonna say B-pop for some reason. And it's ice cream. No, no, it's
Wait, I'm gonna put a cornetto on the screen.
right here in my hand.
Cornetto.
Let's double that.
Cornetto.
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 Tu es a cornetto. What else do I speak? Speak a bit Greek. Mizuto kohan kurasai.
I feel like I'm in Kung Fu Panda. Ow!
Gracias, puta. I'm not an expert, but I think he just called you beautiful.
I'm not an expert, but I think you just called yours. Is that some people are so ugly.
Yeah, just like your dog. I speak a bit of Latin.
Wow.
That language. Oh. This is gonna list here, look. I'm just gonna magically make it list. Swedish, Spanish, Dutch, Latin, Greek, Arabic, German, Italian, Japanese, and French.
How did that literally appear right in front of us?
Oh my goodness.
What is your name as a group? The Click.
Sorry.
I'm really, really sorry, but I need to show you this. I'm mesmerised by these people doing this exercise thing.
Let's get TS out. Right. Be careful. Stand back! Stand back! Oh my god, the muffin one has been like taken. It's like, it looks like one big cookie. A big bag with one cookie in it.
Oh, Mama, can I have some cookie?
Leave it open.
Big bag with one cookie in it. That was hot.
No, it wasn't. It was just cookie. I didn't know that.
That was that was the muffin. It's no longer. Right. Let's do the knife test. pizza cutter.
Can I cut it? Sorry, I'm like eating it already.
We just got to test to see if it's so thin. We just basically made brownie cookies.
Be very careful because it's hot.
Crispy. I feel so maternal towards it. Look.
Just eat it.
I'm looking at my child. Close your eyes. Because we need to clean this.
You're not Jeffrey Epstein.
I am.
How many did you give to Molly May?
Like 1 or 2 depending on the size.
I might be missing. Why am I saying that? It means I love the word legally.
Oh my god, that's so satisfying.
Sorry. I'm gonna do that.
And then we need to be a surgeon and get the cookie out. Not the cookie, the muffin.
Not the muffin, no.
Can I get the muffin out?
I don't. I just want to take.
Sharp objects running.
Can you like take a photo? Like you gotta lean out.
Sorry. That's cropped.
It will be.
Right. Let me perform some surgery.
Right.
Here we go. Where's your thing? In there. It's like your bed. Now? It is.
Just smaller.
Yeah.
Oh my god, wait.
It's not small.
Oh, it is smaller.
I am a surgeon. I am a surgeon.
I am a surgeon!
Eat it. You can have that. Eat it.
I sound like Miss Churchill.
Yeah, that's what I was gonna say. Eat the chocolate cake, boy. Okay.
It's actually pretty scrumptious.
It is. What do we rate it? We can close that. Sorry about that, guys. Guys. I rate that. 8 out. No. 10 out of 10.
10 out of 10. There's nothing wrong with it.
No. That's gonna be beautiful. Right. It's okay. Smoke and wind is smoke and wind. Okay. as they say in England. No. Right. I want to know what it's going to be like with that because there's a cookie inside. A big bag with 1 cookie in it.
A big bag
There's
with
a
one
biscuit
cookie in it.
right there. Okay. We should plate these up. What happened? We put yours in there. What happens?
Isabel. I don't care that they're in the brownie. Try one of them cookies. Try it. Try it, please. Do you have a spatula?
Yeah. Look delicious. I swear we do. Oh, I guess we don't. That's okay though, because we can use the mini spatula.
Golden's Basics.
Right, let's get Molly and Dylan some as well. That's yours and mine, and then what are you?
An idiot sandwich! What was that, Lara?
Okay. Guys.
You can eat these parts because they're just. Show them more cookies, brownies.
There's Iris's. That's mine. That's Molly's. And that's Dylan's. And that's maybe my mum's. Maybe not.
And we go off with them.
Yes. Handing out food to the homeless. Let's go. Hello. We have some food for you, homeless.
Oh, I don't want it.
Let me make brownies.
No, I don't want it. I'm not hungry.
Are you serious?
Yeah, I don't want it.
Okay. We'll keep it downstairs. We'll put cling film on it. We've been rejected by the homeless. That's where Mum is. We got you some.
Oh, I'm okay.
These are Dylan's.
Oh, that's
He didn't want them. So we're gonna put cling.
Oh, they look lovely though, girl.
I know. We couldn't decide to do brownie or cookie, so we did brownie cookies.
Love that.
Here you go, homeless. Here you go. Are you so grateful?
You didn't even say thank you.
Oh, thank you. You're welcome. Oh, Biggie's in here. Right, we've been rejected. So what?
Teddy pups.
Let me get the cling film. And we'll wrap up 2 of our customers' food. Because we were rejected. Customer 1. Okay. That was so mean. I put my heart and soul into this bacon.
Mary Cooper.
And you dare just say no. Oh no, yeah. I don't want to eat my skid. He's so cute. Guys, look at the skid. Anyways, put in there. Done that.
How?
If you can tell, I don't have my little sister. But anyways, now we can go and get our pajamas on and we can eat these while watching movies. I've got my favorite pajamas that are
Oh
clean.
god, you got the hair clip I gave you on.
I can't find the other one, but that's okay.
Yay!
Yay! Let's go! I hope you had a nice time watching us bake and fail at giving food to the homeless. Lovely. I'll see you guys later. Bye!
Marhaban.
Kamala is not. She was more about carrying on the same agenda